I am doing Zr, also known as zirconium, for the periodic table. And first I will be finding the proton, neutron, and electron. To find the proton, you just look at the top number of the picture, and in this case it is 40. And then we're going to find the neutron. To find the neutron, you need to subtract 40 from 91.22. So the top number from the number under the word. Okay, so since we have our equation up there, we'll do the math. So we know that 2 minus 0 equals 2. And 2 minus 0 again equals 2. Make sure we put our decimal. 1 minus 0 equals 1. And 9 minus 4 equals 5. So the answer for the neutron is 51.22. And then we need to find the electron. The electron is the same as the proton, so that would be 40. There we go. And lastly, here is a picture of zirconium. And it's a metal. So it will be in a bar-like form of metal. See? This one has been like chipped, but it's still a metal. And that would be zirconium. I will now tell you a little history about Zr, but you can also call Zr zirconium. Zr was discovered in 1789. It was discovered by a man named Klaproth. And I will now show you a few pictures of Klaproth. Now I'm going to tell you that this mineral, or its variation, so Zr, is mentioned in some biblical writings. Those are some pictures of biblical writing. I will now tell you the important uses of Zr or zirconium. So, one important use is in a vacuum cleaner. I know that's kind of weird, but it is a ingredient for the getter of the vacuum cleaner. And that is right here, as the arrow is showing. And so it's kind of cool to think that zirconium can be used in your everyday life as a ingredient or a part that can't be lost or taken out, because then your machine won't work properly. Another thing that zirconium or Zr is used for is poison ivy cream. You know poison ivy when you go in the forest and there's the green plant and it's called poison ivy because then when you touch it, you get these itchy red spots. Well, zirconium is used in that because it is part of this cream right here. So zirconium is inside of there. I thought that was really unique because I wouldn't think that zirconium is inside a bottle of poison ivy cream. And the last important use that I thought was pretty cool was a superconductive battery, which helps generate the electric power. And I will show you a picture of that. There's actually 2 pictures that I found of this. Oh, are you serious? And here's one. And so you know that zirconium is a metal kind. If you didn't know that, you know now. And so it's kind of cool to think that zirconium is in your electric power. So like generates your lights or something like that. And it's actually really big, superconductive battery, as you see compared to the 2 people right here It is pretty large. So yeah, I thought it was really cool.